Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to freeze a column in Airtable, all right? Unluckily, this won't work on Kanban view or any other views. This will only work under grid view, okay? For example, under my grid view right here, we have the project title, project description. Now, if you want to unfreeze it from project title to project description, you can just go ahead and go to this line right here, all right? And whenever you see this highlight, blue highlight, just drag it, for example, under project description, or even up to deadline, right? I'm going to release, and as you can see here, these columns right here are now frozen. Now, when we move our table, as you can see, this doesn't move along, okay? Now, to undo it, do the same movement, get it back, or just press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard, or CMD plus Z if you're using a Mac. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to freeze script and videos here as well with project title and description. Just move script to here and videos to here, and then start freezing. All right, drag up to videos like that. And now you can go ahead and freely move to these columns. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.